Easy where I am. Yeah. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in the white one.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And today I'm back again with another video. I don't know what the video is yet. Wait, what are we doing? Yes. We are doing the accent challenge. But today I'm not alone. I'm with my cousin. Here she is.
Hi guys.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Lynee. I'm sick. I sound like a dog.
Mm.
I'm Nekeisha's cousin. I am 21. I live in Antigua.
A&U.
Yes, and
Yeah.
she'll tell you what we're doing today.
So today we'll be doing a very funny video. I think it's the accent challenge, and we don't know how to do accents properly. Well, she can do it better than me. I'm just stupid. So
Bitch, we both stupid.
let's see. So I guess we can basically just like have a conversation with the accent. I don't know. We'll just do whatever.
You want to start?
Okay. First one is American. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
All right.
Okay. My next one is Australian.
Australian. Good eye, mate.
Howdy, mate. Did you catch the kangaroo down the road?
Oh, kangaroo.
Oh yeah, from Australia.
Oh my god, I hate you.
Australian. Okay. British.
Oh, I love British people.
Cheerio.
Oh my god, I can't wait to have some tea and some crackers, yeah?
And some scones.
Oh.
And some biscuits.
I just thought about tea and crackers, but I thought we could have some biscuits too.
More scones.
It's a tea.
Brooklyn accent.
Are we doing this right? I really care.
You want to do Brooklyn?
I don't know how to do Brooklyn.
You just did it.
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
That's all
Next. Canadian English accent. Oh, I know how they talk. They be like, I know how they talk. It sounds like Caribbean people, but it's not. That's how they talk. They be like, I know what I'm talking about.
Well, you know, but I don't know.
I can't think of it. But they talk like.
Why you not think about Scottish people or something?
No. I know, cause this girl. What is the phrase that they say? I don't even remember.
You only know people by phrases.
Okay, we can do a Chinese accent. Chicken fried rice.
Shrimp kai fan. Yeah, you don't know what shrimp kai fan is?
What?
You don't eat shrimp kai fan?
Do I eat shrimp?
Kai fan. They have chicken kai fan too and wontons, but I don't know how to do it.
Wonton soup?
Oh, your nails. When you go to the shop. Nice for you. Make you get boyfriend.
Your eyebrow. You need your eyebrow.
We sound ridiculous. It's stupid.
First of all, what is that?
Colombian. We too stupid for this challenge. But okay.
Colombia.
I'm about to leave because
I don't know. Ghanaian English accent.
you skipped all of that.
Yeah. I can't do that. Okay, French accent.
No wait.
Oui.
A croissant.
Croissant.
Nah, the fact
Je
that
m'appelle.
Nekeisha.
Yes.
I mean, English accent. That's African.
Yeah. You bring the boy to my house. You bring him in my house. And he eats all my food. And you can't cook. And you let him eat all my food.
I dislike you greatly. Indian.
Shit. I can sing a song for y'all.
What is it?
Hey.
Damn, they eat a lot of curry.
Yeah. I like their movies are nice.
The Bollywood movies or Nollywood or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Bollywood. Yeah, you better edit that part out.
Nollywood is Africa.
Yeah, I just realized that.
Nigeria, I think.
Mhm.
You can do an Irish. Is that Irish?
Irish. No, Irish people kind of sound like British, but still
Ghetto. Like the ghetto British people.
I
Howdy, mate. No.
no, that's Australian.
sound, but I can't do it.
Right. It's just,
The same thing with the Canadian. I know how they. I just can't. Italian.
Italiano.
The pasta is in the pot. Yeah, yeah.
Magnifique. No, that's French, I think, but still, hand movement is great.
Japanese accent. Korean.
Latin American. Liverpool.
Exactly. That's how I'm just like.
London aren't London people British too?
They're from the city of love. New York accent.
You from New York?
I don't have a New York accent, no. I do not have an accent.
Alright, I'm not saying anything. You don't have an accent.
I don't have an accent. I swear to God.
I swear to God.
But Americans, I mean,
American.
New York accent. They be like, yo, Terrell, like, that's. Terrell.
You do talk like that sometimes. I do it you. It be coming out.
Yeah, sometimes.
You know.
Pakistani.
Pakistan. Those are like Middle Eastern people, right?
Yeah. How they talk? They just talk loud and hard. Like
Them gyro
rough.
people. What they?
Yeah. One chicken gyro.
You?
One love gyro. I don't know.
You are a clown.
Russian.
I watch a lot of these movies.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I know what they sound like, but I can't do it.
Yeah, they just sound like rough.
That's what you said about the Pakistani people.
They do though.
Well, I mean, they are from like Middle East,
Yeah.
and Europe,
They're very
over there. But Russian people sound like, oh my god, it's a lot of rolling of the tongue too. I think.
Yur.
Oh,
Yur.
they should kick you off.
Yur.
You'd what?
You would bring my money now. I don't know.
Neither do I. I can't remember.
Scandinavian. I don't know exactly what it is, but I have no idea what.
I can't remember when last I heard a Scandinavian accent.
Scottish.
You just did it, yeah?
Is that Scottish?
I
Or
think,
British?
I think we do all of them British and we don't even
Right.
know. We suck. South America is.
That's like Brazil. Is that Brazil?
But South America has so many different.
I'll do Guyanese. The curry, the chicken curry. I don't know. Guyanese people have like a different ring to their voice. I like it though, but I just can't do it.
Yeah, nah, that ain't fun.
Spanish accent. Go ahead.
Hola, mami.
¿Qué pasó, papi? Oh my God, mommy, come sit, mommy. Do your nails, mommy.
Você trabalha poquito dinero.
Sí, mommy. Texan accent.
Howdy, y'all.
Come and take a ride in my big green tractor. We can go slow or we can go faster.
Hey.
Oh,
Okay, yeah.
yeah.
Killed that one. They should have Caribbean accents
Right.
because.
All right, you can do Trinidad. Do Trinidad.
Wait a minute.
And I'll do Jamaican. So
Oh
you Trinidad, I'm Jamaican.
Why gotta be Trinidad?
Cause I don't know how to do Trinidad.
I don't know how to do it either.
Girl.
You should probably ask the questions that they ask. What
Oh,
do you call
yeah.
that bubbly pasta? You
Yeah.
don't know my password?
No.
Alright.
It's like 1, 1, 2.
I should ask you to see how much you know about your roots.
Okay, yeah. So now we're gonna switch it up a little bit, and she's gonna ask me some questions to see how much I know.
Because we both have our parents are from Antigua.
Yeah, but we
Or from New York.
New York.
Alright, so in Antigua, what do you call it? Your aunt.
Auntie.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Root.
Roots.
Theater.
Movie.
Caught.
Trolley. Something like that.
Caught! Mean
Yacht.
no, caught. Mean like I caught you doing something.
Oh, caught me catch you.
Exactly. Salmon.
Fish.
Caramel.
Caramel.
Fire.
Fire.
Coupon.
Discount.
Tumbler.
What?
You damn right. You damn right, because we don't do that shit.
Facts.
Pecans.
Pecan.
Both.
To are you?
Not two of them. Again.
Again.
Probably.
Most likely.
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
Water.
Water.
Mayonnaise.
The white sub in the fridge.
It's mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Pajamas.
19.
Iron.
Iron.
Naturally.
Natural.
Aluminum.
File paper.
No, I don't know. GIF, GIF. We say that.
Huh?
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
Cracker Jack.
Crackers.
Doorknob.
Door. No.
Door.
Oh yeah.
Alabama.
Alabama.
What is it called when someone throws toilet paper on the house?
Nothing. We don't do that.
Yeah.
That's called what?
I don't know. Jail.
I forgot what it's called in America.
What is that bubbly carbonated drink called?
Soda.
What term do you use for gym shoes?
Sneakers.
What do you call your grandparents?
Well, grandpa would probably be like daddy or like grandpa. And then grandma is like granny or like mommy, something like that.
What do you call the things with wheels used to carry groceries in the supermarket?
That's the trolley.
Be a wizard or a vampire?
Wizard.
What do you use to change channels on the TV?
The remote or the thing over there.
Choose any book and read a random passage. Excuse me, we ain't got no books here.
Hey, oh, I have a book for you.
Oh my god, no.
We have a book. Noah and the Animals. Let me pick a
She
short.
was reading this book for about 40 minutes
I was
now.
trying to show her how woke I was.
She got a lot of conspiracy theories too about this book.
Okay.
You gonna speak?
I'll just read the first page.
They got like 7 pages.
Noah, I have a job for you. I hear you, God. What do you want me to do? Noah answered. Build an ark. An ark? What's an ark? Noah asked. That was my spoken word.
Oh my goodness, I hate you. Do you personally think you have an accent?
No.
I don't think anybody thinks they have an accent.
I mean, no, I don't. What even is an accent?
You know exactly what an accent is.
I don't have an accent.
Because say any 3 words that come to your mind.
3 words. Oh, me want food.
Love you.
People rude.
They are so disrespectful.
So yeah, with that being said, we're just gonna end the video here. We might make another one if you want to. We just gotta think of something. We're gonna do like I think we should do like a girl talk or something. I don't know, but we're gonna do something else. Her highlight is popping. I know you just saw her nose. It was like shoo. But yeah. Sorry, my nose was itching. But anyway, I'll see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow her on all of her lovely social medias. It'll be linked down below.
When you post it again.
I am posting this video. Wait, listen, I'm gonna edit it. I'm going to edit it as soon as I land and I get home. And then I'm gonna post it. Let me see, I get home this Saturday. I'll probably be tired, so I'll post it like the Sunday or the Monday.
So 2021, guys.
Yeah, but I'll still post it. So don't forget to add her on Snapchat. What's your Snapchat name? Say it.
Ballers_queen.
Yeah, she'd be like, I hope y'all enjoy this video and see y'all in our next video if we make it. Bye.